Hello, National Association of Realtors. This is Roger Martinez speaking to you from beautiful Southern California. And I'm going to show you a 3-minute video of a song that I wrote, which I wrote all the parts, guitars, bass, drums, vocals, and put together a band to film it. What I'm going to be doing for the contest is a 3-minute song that has 2 real estate jokes while I'm playing the guitar. So the style is precisely the same that you're about to see. I am the vocalist, and also I'm doing the first lead solo on camera that you're about to watch. Now, as for Southern California, I live here between Redondo Beach Boulevard and Manhattan Beach Boulevard. We live in the climate of paradise. It doesn't get better than this anywhere on the planet. So listen, I'll look forward to seeing you guys in San Francisco. And we're going to have a good time. It's going to be fun. It's going to have everybody laughing. So listen, thanks for watching, and I'll look forward to seeing you in San Francisco real soon.